Yes. What are we looking for quartile 3? Aja, help her out.
So when we're looking for quartile 3, we take our fingers, we go into the middle, and then the numbers that are in the middle, we cross off because one will be the lower one, and then one will be the upper quartile.
Okay, so we're going to talk about upper extremes and lower extremes, and we're going to have an upper and a lower quartile. How do we find that upper quartile though? We're very, very close. I know you said moving your fingers in. Gavin, add to that.
You find the median for all 3 quartiles. So you would so in that it's like just finding the middle in between whatever you have. So the number in the middle, and then quartile 1, you would find the number in the middle between there, and then the quartile 3, you would find the number in between the other numbers in the middle.
Okay, so that's it. So each time we're looking for the number in the middle. Audrey, what do you want to add?
Can I say it in like a fast way?
Yes.
So it's like once you find the middle of all the numbers, then you work your way to the other sides and find the middle of those 2 halves.
Yes, we're finding the middle of each half. Very good. Okay, so quartile 2, it's dividing it right in half, the median right in the middle. Then we take that first half and we find what's in the middle there. The median in the middle, in this case it's 4. Then we move to the second half, and again we find what's in the middle. 6, 7, 8, 7's in the middle, that's our quartile 3. Why is the line drawn through that number? Why did we draw it specifically through the number that time? Jessica?
There's only just one number. I mean, you do only one number. If it's 2, you split it between 2 of the numbers.
Yes, exactly right. So if our quartile is that exact number, there's only one number in the middle, we draw it actually through the actual number. If our quartile is in between 2 numbers, then we draw the line in between. How would we find the median if we have to draw the line in between? Yeah.
So you would add them, and then you would divide by 2.
And then you would divide by 2, which is also known as the what?
Square root?
Not the square root. Because we're adding and dividing, it's also known as the what? We talked about it last week.
The range?
Not the range, we're going to talk about that later today.
Median.
Not the median, the median's the number in the middle.
Mean.
The mean or the average, right? So in order to find the median of a number in the middle, we would add both numbers, in this case 5 plus 6, and we would divide them by 2 because there's 2 numbers, and that's the average. That's how we would get that exact median, the number in the middle. Okay, is this kind of coming back to us what we did yesterday? Okay, so let's do an example. Okay, I'm going to put up some numbers. I want you to put them on your board. And then we'll find the quartiles, the 3 quartiles. What quartile do we always start with?
Quartile 2.
Quartile 2. Always starting with quartile 2. What's the very first thing you're going to do with the numbers I give you? Aja?
You put them in order.
Put them in order from
Least to greatest.
least to greatest. Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do these. There you go. All right, go ahead and copy those down. Put them in order from least to greatest.